I'll teach you how to use this distributive property in your daily life. Say, suppose you have to find 105 times 90. If you have to find this, I can split the 105 into two parts and I write it as 100 plus 5. The whole thing times 90. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this can be written as 90 times 100, add 90 times 5. I'm just opening the bracket as you're learning multiplication and algebra. This is the same thing with numbers, multiplication of numbers instead of algebraic terms. So every number inside the bracket gets multiplied with 90. So 90 times 100 would be 9,000.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
90 times 5 is 450. What's the total here? 9,450. So 105 times 90 is 9,450. Done orally, mentally, without doing the long methods of calculation. Did it make sense?
Yes.
Faster calculations for numbers and two-digit numbers ending in 5. What do we do? The last two digit of your answer would be 25 always. For a double-digit number ending in 5, the answer, last two digits of your answer would be 25. Now leave the 5 and what else is remaining for you? 1. 1. The next higher number of 1 is
2.
2. So we do 2 times 1. So it becomes a 225. Suppose it was a 25 square. How do you find the square of 25?
So it will be 25.
The last two digits.
325.
3 times 2.
25.
Which is 6. 625.
Okay.